Hey! Hey, you. Let me tell you something. I'm Rick Romanowski with Morningwood Photographic Studios, and today we are in Pennsylvania at the Heinz factory.
The original Heinz factory is still in Pittsburgh, though now it's called the Heinz Lofts, which is a nice way to preserve and repurpose historical buildings. Today, it was just me and JD again. I brought my Nikon F4 and a Kodak Autographic Junior that I got off eBay for 20 bucks. And JD brought his Sun 660 and a Canon EOS 7. Here, take a look. The buildings still retain their beautiful red brick and terracotta facades. The whole complex is a gorgeous showcase of Beaux Art style, commercial style, and Romanesque revival. The administration, bean, and shipping buildings were built between 1907 and 1915. The Serial Building was built in 1926. And this beauty, the Service and Auditorium Building, that was built in 1930. It was a lot of fun until JD lost a finger. See you next time.